we create holistic solutions. Every environmental measure will inherently prioritize the well-being and rights of the people. 2. Empowering the voiceless. No longer will the most affected communities be passive observers. They will play an active and important role in shaping decisions and charting the path forward. And 3. Driving the green revolution through jobs. As a pivot towards a greener, more sustainable future, we pledge to create opportunities, ensuring that our youth are at the forefront of this transformation. But our vision doesn't stop here. We must invest in education that emphasizes the importance of sustainability. We need infrastructure that is resilient to the challenges of the future. We must foster international partnerships because the battle against climate change isn't one nation's fight. It's a global endeavor. Today, I urge you to dream with me. Envision a Pakistan that isn't just flourishing economically, but stands as a beacon of environmental and social justice. Envision a nation where the